This combo is a must-have, especially this summer season. Oh my gosh. Kita mo ba kung gaano kaganda tong foundation na 'to? Yes, this is one of my favorite foundation na masasabi ko talaga na parang skin but better ang atake. Like, it evens out your skin tone and it has hyaluronic acid that really attracts moisture to your skin. So, perfect talaga 'to kung nasa trentahin ka na, ate ko. Kung nasa kwarentahin ka na, yes, yes na yes tayo sa foundation na 'to. Like, tingnan mo naman kung gaano ka-seamless yan, ate ko. Dalawang shade yung ginagamit ko, very light and light. Okay, kasi minimix ko siya together. Yes, yung light kasi niya medyo dark sa akin. Tapos yung very light talaga. Shade light, and this is the shade very light. As you can see, pag binlend mo to, perfect na siya for my skin tone. I have light neutral undertone. So, ayan na siya kapag blended na sa skin ko. As you can see, talagang walang ka-effort, no cakiness at all. Let's complete this look with L'Oreal lipstick as well. Oh my gosh. Sobrang fresh mga ate ko, but of course, ilalak natin yan. Mabilis lang din siyang matuyo, and tingnan mo mga ate ko. Smudge proof talaga yan. Like, eto yung legit na smudge proof. Like, oh my gosh. I really love this combo. Like, I'm telling you, this combo is a must-have, lalong-lalo na ngayong magsa-summer. Highly recommended ko tong combo na to. Like, girl,